consultant. He's expertise in 3D printing. He worked on 10 real projects. He filed 3 patents. He was awarded with several awards, among them Young Scientist and Best Innovator Award he got. Now I hand over the session to Mr. Rahul Shivkumar. Thank you, students.
So, very good afternoon, students, and I would like to thank SCAD College Management for giving me this wonderful opportunity to interact with the budding engineers and the students of the nation. So, this I take a privilege moment to address on the topic called innovative. How to convert ideas into a prototype. So that's a much important topic that we are going to be discussing today. So may I know what are the department students available in the session?
Now all are triple department only, sir.
Triple department. Okay. So students, this particular session, like it is going to be like I'm going to give a comparison, like how if you have an idea in your mind. Sorry, it went into mute. Sorry. How if you have an idea or if you have a innovative thinking, so that how it can be able to brought into a real time. So that's what the main motto of this particular session. So here for that I have created, or I have taken a area of the core called 3D printing. So which is a very emerging technology where you can able to produce a parts like this, a pipe model, or it can be a fixture or a jig, or even it can be a disc plate like this. So whatever the thing it can be, okay, so we can able to produce it then and there and everything in a compactable manner. Okay, so why it is essential, why the digital manufacturing or the precise manufacturing is that much important. So so if we have a idea, okay, if we have any innovative thinking or if we have any ideas in ourselves, that need to be brought into the world, okay, that should be brought into the world only by the means of product or in a form of a hardware, okay, because the hardware is the only one which makes the people to understand that what it is and what it is and why it is meant for. Okay, so let me share my screen so that it will be helpful to gather about what is about the topic. COVID, we all know, right? We are all aware of it. So during this pandemic or during this COVID, we all know lot many innovative products, or we have got to know with different varieties of mask, right? It's a cotton mask or a PPE mask or biodegradable mask or the triple layer mask and N95 mask. There are a lot many different different innovative masks. Okay, all this at first it has been kindled or it has been sparked or ignited in everyone's mind as an idea. Okay, so that particular idea have a real-time product. Okay, so this is the important of this particular domain or the particular technology or this particular core. Okay, so you can able to see different varieties which you had also been seen in your real time. Okay, the face shield which normally a security guards might have used, or the face shields where people use. So the right answer is no. Then the right word is additive manufacturing, because see, being as a professionals or the being a professional graduates, we need to call or we need to phrase terms in a proper way. Okay, see, to be rightly saying an example which is related to a triple E. Okay, I can say what is a proper way of calling the an instrument which is used for during the summer time. In fan, over the time the capacitor will be failed. Okay, but if you ask a layman will say as condenser. So this is a difference. Okay, we should call the things in a proper manner, in the proper way. Okay, similar way it applies over here also. People call the word in a fantasy term called 3D printing, but to be honest, the proper way of calling this technology is additive manufacturing, because the particular process is making, or it is being processed, or it is being prepared in a layer by layer format, or in a layer by layer manner. Okay, so additive manufacturing belongs to which? So selective laser sintering. All the three are metal based 3D printing, and SLS is meant for powder based 3D printing. We all know the true fact, right? All the 3D printing means it is not just confined only about plastic. We also have a metal powders which is being fired to produce a model. So all these three, SLM, EBM, and DMLS, will sinter, will fire the metal powder to get a solidified model. Okay. So what is a process chain for the rapid prototyping or the additive manufacturing? First, the first ever step is idea. That idea, that imagination, the idea have to be converted into the idea, which is nothing but which will be in the imagination. Okay, that should be converted into a what? Real time. To convert in a real time, or to show to the people what idea we have, or what concept we have, or what exactly we have, that should be broadcasted to the world in a form of a design, because design is the only way to show to the world that what we are having. Okay, so we need to plot, we need to design, we need to sketch. Okay, that one we are using in a format called CAD. Okay, CAD is the one which is used to make a 3D model. Okay, once the 3D model is being done, we have to next do, or we need to select in a particular file format. For this, I will say a best example. So we have created a design. We have created a design. So that particular design have to be sorry, no, not as a design. We have created a MS Word. Okay, we have created a MS Word. That particular MS Word, over the time, what happens with the Microsoft Word is, one or two times if you are coming out and if you are opening again, we will be getting alignment issue. So to freeze it, what we will do is we will save in a PDF. Similar way, what we have to do here is to step forward for the 3D printing or rapid prototyping. We need to select, or we need to save in a particular file format called test selection. What happens in a test selection is manufacturing. So here to show a video that how 3D printing or 3D technology being helpful in the electronic industry.
Researchers are developing sheets of ultra-thin, ultra-flexible electronics that can stick to your body. These electronic skins,